Kids and adults would love these healthy air-fried chicken nuggets. Let's see how to make these.
Hello everyone. The ingredients we need are breadcrumbs 1 cup, all-purpose flour 1/4 cup, 1 pound chicken minced chicken, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon onion powder, salt to taste, parsley it's 1.5 teaspoon, garlic powder half teaspoon, soy sauce 1 tablespoon, paprika 1 teaspoon, and oil to spray. Now I will mix my meat, add paprika, black pepper, soy sauce, onion powder, half of the garlic powder, salt, half of parsley, now I will press chop button, take it out. Now we will shape the nuggets. First, spray the sheet. Because we have to freeze it to retain its shape, so I have placed this sheet. I will put it in the freezer for at least 1 hour.
Okay.
Now keep some water by your side to wet your hands, and then make the shape whatever you like. I'm making heart shape. I have shaped my nuggets. Now I will put it in a freezer to keep it in shape for at least 1 hour. After 1 hour, take out your nuggets from the freezer, and now we will apply the coating. For coating, first we will crack the egg. Beat it. Now set it aside. Take your breadcrumbs. We will add garlic powder and parsley and mix it. Now, first we will coat the nuggets in dry flour. Then in egg. Then in breadcrumbs. Now set it aside and do the same step with all of the nuggets. All the nuggets are ready to fry. Now I will put them in air fryer. But if you like to deep fry them, you can deep fry them as well. First, spray some oil in the tray. Place your nuggets. Now, spray some oil on the top. Put it back. Set the fryer on 370° F, and the timer is 20 minutes, and after 10 minutes I will turn the side. After 10 minutes I will turn the side.
And people, be cautious. These will be hot at this time. I don't know how pizza does that.
Okay, now I will put it back for next 10 minutes. Nuggets are ready.